basic attack. In the beginner class, we talked about when this happens, the most important part of this drill is raising my hands and dropping. The reason I got to raise my hands is for action. Okay? So he's here, coming here, strike. I'm going to wrap, hit, pull the knife out, cut, stab, step back. Okay. That's the nice scenario. Okay. Then we talked about the person just lunging at the attack. Okay. And again, I don't want to look at the knife. I want to look at his elbow where he's going. So he's coming in. I'm going to just step out of the way from here. Okay. On a beginner level, we want to punch. What I want to do is basically his reaction is to do what? He's going to pull it back. So I'm going to grab pretty much by the knife where it's at. So he pulls back. I'm going to step, pull down, stab, cut, and you're down. Okay? You're done with that. It's going to do from this angle. So again, this part, when this happens, also by the way, don't do this. He's stabbing me. Okay, so just, you know, as he's coming in, keep your hands in, turn. Now again, we discussed why am I doing this? Don't be good. See, he's fighting there. He's going to pull it up. I'm going to give you the knife. Thank you. Okay? I'm not, you know, I don't want to stab him in the throat right there. I just want to do it low and pull it away from him. Okay?